Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm here to show you how easy it is to cook frozen chicken nuggets and chips in the air fryer, or as you might call it, frozen chicken nuggets and fries. They're easy to do for a quick dinner, they cook together perfectly and your kids will love them. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Now back to the frozen chicken nuggets and chips. What you can do is you can cook a portion of chicken nuggets and chips in the same air fryer basket and it keeps the same cook time. Or what you can also do, which if you want the full recipe for that, head over to RecipeThis.com and search for frozen chicken nuggets and fries, and that is to grab yourself a ramekin and then fill it with your kids' favourite other thing that they have with the chicken nuggets and chips, such as some baked beans, some spaghetti hoops, some spaghetti alphabet, whatever they're into, and then make room for these in the air fryer basket as well, and it'll cook all three together for you. Very much like a 90s dinner after coming home from school, actually. So, get your air fryer basket out, and we are using these crispy chicken breast nuggets. We also have some simple straight cut fries, or chips as I call them, so I'm British. And then you just want to make room for everything in the air fryer basket. So grab yourself a decent portion. You'll put in slightly less if you're doing the spaghetti or the beans at the same time, because there's only so much you can fit at once in the air fryer. I think that's plenty. Now on with the nuggets. I recommend about 8 chicken nuggets in the air fryer at once, and then you can give the chicken nuggets an extra spray just to help them with the crispiness, but of course that's optional. And then once you've done that, they're ready to go in the air fryer. So you want to turn on your air fryer, and then you'll be pleased to know that if you're using the Cosori, it's already set 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on them. And we've beeped. And wow, let's check on these chicken nuggets, shall we? And wow, they look absolutely fantastic. The chips have got a lovely crisp on them as well. The nuggets are looking lovely. You can see where I've sprayed the nuggets that it's getting a lovely colour on them. You can of course put them on for a little bit longer if you want them more crispy, but at this point they are absolutely perfectly cooked. So then, if you're feeding your kids for dinner, just plate up some chicken nuggets and chips and they'll be happy. And like I said, head over to RecipeThis.com, as on there we actually share with you how to do it with the beans or spaghetti hoops at the same time. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.